Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Accountitude. Here I am with the one new point on rectification of errors. The point is payment of wages to Ram was debited to his personal account with rupees 3000. First of all, the business is making the payment of the wages, right? So the payment and the wages, payment means cash is going out. For what purpose cash is going out? Because there was a nominal expense, debit all losses and expenses. What kind of expense it was? Wages account. So for the correct entry, wages account debited to cash account rupees 3000 was the journal, because wage is an expense as per nominal, it is debited, cash is going out, it is a real account, it should be credited. But the question says that this expense was debited to the personal account of Ram. Which account they debited? Actually, Ram account. So Ram should be debited for the incorrect entry, and rather on the credit was the same, that payment was done so to cash account with 3000. What incorrect thing they did? Rather than writing wages debit, they wrote Ram debit, but the cash account was correct here. Cash account was correctly credited in both the entries, so we need not to focus on the cash. Rather, what needs to be corrected, that is wages should be debited and Ram should be credited, because wages have not been debited, the wages account debit which was wrongly debited, Ram now needs to be credited for its a correction to Ram with the amount of rupees 3000 here. So this is how the journal is passed in this particular case. In your exam, it's your case. If you want to do this as a working note, you can do. If you can understand the point, you can directly write an rectifying entry for your journal, that is wages account debit to Ram, right? Now, there is a second point where I took the case of old furniture sold for rupees 540 has been entered in the sales account as 450. First of all, old furniture sold. What is going out here is the furniture is going out, right? So, real, as per the real account, furniture is asset, it's going out, so furniture should be credited. Sold, that means the cash is received here, because no retrospective account is given name of any party. So the correct journal was here, cash account debit to furniture account with rupees 450. But what he did, has entered in which account? Sales account. The word is account. Account is wrong here, not the whole book is wrong here. So that means when they recorded the journal, they actually write cash account debit to sales account, because there was a sale of old furniture. So rather than writing furniture, they misundertook it as a sale account. So they have written cash account debit to sales, and cash was taken with 540. It's not mentioned over here that there was a mistake in the cash account. The mistake was only in the sales account. In the sales account, they took it as rupees 450. So what was the correct journal? Correct journal was cash account debit 540 to furniture account 540, but they took it wrong as cash account debit 540 to sales account 450. First of all, what the question is saying, we did that part. Now we will justify which part is correct. Cash account debit 540 is correct in both the journals, so this need not to be corrected. Now what needs to be corrected is, we should credit furniture account with 540 and debit sales account with 450. Then what, where would be the rest over difference would go? What I am saying is the rectifying entry would be sales account debit 450 to furniture account 540. Now where would the difference would go in this particular case? Here the difference would be transferred to the suspense account. So we will write suspense account debit with the difference of the amount here, that is 90 rupees. So the debit balance should be is equals to the credit balance of the journal. So what is the actual right rectifying entry over here? Sales account debit 450, suspense account debit 90 to furniture account with rupees 540. Thank you, Accountitude. Keep scoring.